same way, as per our convenience, if the project is very complicated, we go with the different team. For example, I might be a very good pig developer. There will be a person who is very good in Java. And end of the day, we are going to generate anyway the MapReduce. Even if you are writing 100 lines through MapReduce, and if I am writing 10 lines in pig, I am going to generate MapReduce coding.
Okay.
Correct? So when the complexity come up, we use different, it's based on the project. It doesn't mean that you have to use only MapReduce.
Okay, fine. I got it. In which case, which scenarios we will go for MapReduce, and which scenarios you told I already got that information. Like in if you want to search particular record, then what is that? Hive is the best. Hive is the best tool. Okay. Yeah. For MapReduce, in which scenario we will go for it?
MapReduce scenarios like for processing of huge data, like for example, how can I give you one example? Okay. There is a file. For example, there is a file size of consider 10 GB where I have to find an Hanumesh's name. I want to find how many times Hanumesh's name appears in a document.
Okay.
These type of things we cannot go for figure Hive. Conditions like Hive can only fetch the information. It can query it and it can get it. Okay. Even it can go, but the thing is, I want how many times it appears. My Hive query can only bring up, where is Hanumesh. But it won't give how many times it appeared.
Okay. So basically what I understood, random access that will be better. Hue and peak, and this is a sequential access. This one will be the better. If you are going to iterate it some information, then MapReduce is the best one. Okay, got it.
For an application, when we have analysis, we won't use MapReduce and we won't use Hive. We go only for peak. If the project we have some analysis part in the module, we have analysis. We go for peak. Even sometimes it can be possible in MapReduce, but we go for pig. Pig is a very good tool, like a place. Through scripting, we can fetch the information. So in a project, you will be finding so many combinations. You will find Hackspace, you will find, Cassandra. You are going to find so many things. So many concepts will come up. It's a combination of so many languages. Hadoop.
Okay. What about Cassandra? Cassandra, it's for?
Cassandra for NoSQL.
NoSQL, huh? Okay.
Yeah. NoSQL concepts will go.
Okay. Good. Okay.
If it is something which we need, database or something creation, then we go for Scoop.
Okay.
So what the controls are there?
For all those things, we are pulling information from HDFS only, right?
Yeah, HDFS. Are going to get information from
HDFS, okay. Can I even for RDBMS also, can I pull information and do it?
Yes, possible.
Okay. Okay.
Because normally what they are doing is now, you have Oracle database. They are setting up this Hadoop, environment onto that, and SAP, even in SAP, they are building this Hadoop setup over that. Now, IBM is trying, when I was at IBM, we were trying for building this Hadoop environment on mainframe. So, whatever the existing system is there, we are trying to embed this technology onto the top of everyone. And we are trying whatever it is.
Oh, it's not only just HDFS, it's maybe anything, any enterprise system, you mean to say? Huh?
Yes. We will make sure the platform is working.
Okay. So, okay. Yeah. Got it.
So, it's not quite.
Yeah, it's fine. Understood.
Okay. Vimal? Just give me a moment, Harvish.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah, Vimal.
Yeah, Jatin, are you done?
Yeah.
All right. So, Hanumesh, I hope you had all your doubts cleared and all.
Yeah. Jatin is left already. I just have another.
No, Jitin is all,
Yeah.
he's there.
No, I just done with the technical questions, and I just want to know how this practical things will be taken care in during this online session. Practical.
Okay.
Yeah, practical things how it will be done, and yeah.
Yeah. The practical session will be done. Theoretical and practical will be handled by both by myself. We are going to do programming and everything. And one of my colleagues, she is from IBM. She will be also giving so many IBM products to work it out. Because
Okay.
I'm no more with IBM. So IBM's product like iCloud, okay, Smart Cloud is there. So she will be giving some examples, the live scenarios from her, like from IBM. Because now I am working for a product-based company, so I'm going to give how we are going to implement Wikitrainings products and how products is going to work. So the theoretical area, programming area, everything will be done by me. Only the practical few sessions will be handled by her.
Okay. So
So
how
since you want to practice it on different tools.
yeah, that's fine. How it will be, because I want to set up the entire stuff in my local.
Oh, you are okay, fine. I'll be sharing you everything. Like we'll be guiding you how to install from the beginning.
Okay. If I struck up something and some assistance will be
No,
there, right?
the only thing I want is like if you're having Windows machine, it is better you change that to Linux, because no company will use for big data Windows machine. Even it is possible to make it out, but it won't be that comfortable once you practice that, because if 10 people are in the online class and if 8 is using 9 is using Linux machine and 1 is using Windows, the Windows will be getting so many issues with big data.
Okay, that's fine. What about VMware? VMware and Ubuntu, we cannot do it, huh?
Yeah, I'm coming to that. So once you set up
Yeah.
Linux, we have to install VMware on it.
Oh, even for Linux also we need to install it. Okay.
Yes, of course. Yeah, we have to install it. Linux also we have to install VMware platform. In VMware we are going to practice.
Oh, okay. So
The setup is going. It's not like Linux, because Linux where you are using for self-scripting and all, we go for that. Command prompt for monitoring the clusters, everything we practice on Linux environment. But when VMware, we have to set up in Linux environment, and the programming, everything will be done on VMware environment.
Right now we have Windows 8. I need to shift it to Linux. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, even you can do it, Windows, but it throws so many errors. If everyone is taking 1 or 2 program, it takes 5 or 6 hours. It will keep on throwing different errors, because to my knowledge, even throughout my career, I never worked in Windows machine for big data technology.
Yeah, that's fine. Which because we are basically I am into development and never had much exposure in Linux. Which Linux operating system we need to install?
You can go for Ubuntu.
Ubuntu,
The flavor will be Ubuntu, yeah, Linux Ubuntu. So if possible, I can share that too, because Ubuntu might be asking. It's an open source. I think even you can click it and download it.
Okay.
Because the Hadoop environment. Sorry.
No, my question is in the same. Right now I am having Windows 8. I can install Ubuntu also in that same machine.
Yeah, you can do it. Ubuntu, in the sense, do you have virtual machine inside your laptop?
Come again, what you are saying?
Virtual machine in the sense, one will be Windows and the other one will be Linux.
Yeah, virtual machine I can install it. That is not a problem.
If you have virtual machine, then it will be a problem. You can just install there. And okay, because if you want to practice with huge amount of data, because we get a huge amount of data, but we are going to practice with 1 GB, at least 1 GB of data we have to practice. So your system should have the capability to, like we are going to set up like an organization setup we are going to set up in your system. Like we have to put Hive, we have to put Pig, we have to put HBase, we are going to put Hadoop, entire environment. Under that, so many products, tools, everything will come up.
4 GB RAM is fine.
Yeah, I guess it's fine. Yeah.
4 GB RAM, and how much GB we need to have? How much?
If you can keep a space, something, it depends on the like, testing files we are going to practice. Like